Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Squarespace site public. We'll cover everything you need to know to successfully launch your website. First, we'll discuss the necessary preparations, including account and domain setup. Then, I'll walk you through the exact steps within Squarespace to change your site's availability. Finally, we'll review crucial pre-launch checks to ensure your site is polished and ready for visitors. Before making your Squarespace site public, several essential steps ensure a smooth launch. You must have an active, paid Squarespace subscription, as trial sites cannot be fully public. Next, consider connecting a custom domain. This provides a professional address for your site. Also, thoroughly review all your content for accuracy and test every link and form to confirm they work perfectly for your visitors. Now, let's walk through the straightforward process of making your site live. First, log into your Squarespace account and access your site's home menu. From there, click on Settings. Within the Settings panel, locate and select Site Availability. You will see options for your site's visibility. Choose Public to make your site accessible to everyone, then click Save to apply these changes. Your site is now live. Once your Squarespace site is public, there are a few final considerations. Immediately verify its accessibility by opening your site in a new browser window or on a different device. Confirm that your site looks great and functions well on mobile phones and tablets. Take time to optimize your site's SEO settings, including page titles and descriptions, to improve search engine visibility. Finally, share your new website URL widely to attract your first visitors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.